Welcome to a groundbreaking technological journey with Microsoft's latest innovation, Copilot. This new feature is set to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices, merging the capabilities of chat interfaces and large language models with practical, real-world applications. Today I'll take you through everything you need to know about Copilot, showcasing its transformative potential in both work and play. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional seeking efficiency, or simply curious about the future of AI integration, this exploration of Copilot is something you don't want to miss. Let's uncover the capabilities of this AI-powered assistant and see how it's poised to change our digital experiences. Alright, let's dive right into the latest technological marvel from Microsoft, Copilot. This new feature is a groundbreaking blend of chat interfaces and large language models with practical applications that are set to change how we interact with our digital world. Copilot is your daily AI companion, assisting with various tasks ranging from web searches to content creation, and even learning new skills. It integrates across Microsoft's suite, including Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Edge, and Bing, offering easy access either as an app or through a simple right-click on your PC. The core of Copilot lies in its contextual understanding, leveraging the web, your user data, and real-time PC activities to deliver personalized suggestions. Its seamless user interface allows you to interact with Copilot as if chatting with a friend. The great news is that Copilot will be available with a free update to Windows 11 on September 26th. For those without a compatible device, Copilot will still be accessible on Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 in the following months, ensuring everyone can enjoy its benefits. Let's explore some of the standout features and applications of Copilot. Copilot in Windows 11. With Windows 11's latest operating system, Copilot enhances your productivity. It simplifies tasks such as finding files, setting reminders, or sending emails. It's also a powerful learning tool, capable of explaining complex concepts or solving mathematical problems. AI-driven features in Paint and Photos. Copilot introduces groundbreaking features in apps like Paint and Photos. In Paint, it can generate realistic images from text prompts using OpenAI's DALL-E 3 model. In Photos, Copilot provides professional editing tools, revolutionizing how you interact with your images. Bing and Edge with Copilot. Bing and Edge gain a new level of intelligence and personalization with Copilot. Features like Bing Image Creator, powered by Copilot and DALL-E 3, enable crafting stunning images for various uses. Additionally, personalized search experiences in Bing and Edge make your online searches more relevant and efficient. Microsoft 365 integration. Copilot brings a new dimension to Microsoft 365, making it more collaborative and creative. The AI chat feature assists in various tasks across apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, enhancing your productivity and collaborative efforts. Designer with Copilot. Designer, a graphic design tool integrated with Microsoft 365, benefits significantly from Copilot. It uses DALL-E 3 to create impressive visuals from text descriptions, streamlining your design process. File Explorer and Surface Hub updates. The File Explorer in Windows 11 gets a modern update for easier management of files. The Surface Hub 3, compatible with Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows, features AI-enhanced tools for improved collaborative experiences. To complement Copilot, Microsoft has designed devices like the Surface Pen, Surface Mobile Mouse, Surface Laptop Studio 2, and Surface Hub 3, all optimized to highlight Copilot's AI capabilities. These devices allow you to access Copilot in various ways, enhancing your overall AI experience. In conclusion, Copilot is not just a feature. It represents a significant leap in integrating AI into everyday technology, making it more intuitive and accessible. It stands as a testament to Microsoft's commitment to revolutionizing our interaction with technology, promising an easier, more productive digital experience. If you found this overview helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI advancements. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tech insights.